Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about what is parameter and how to create a parameter in Tableau. So parameter is a workbook variable such as a number, date or a string that can replace the constant value in calculation, filter or a reference line. So let's create a parameter to filter top n customers by sales using table calculation function index. So index function returns sequential numbers. So let's go to Tableau. So first I will drag sales into column shelf and customer name into row shelf. So add all members. So first double click on this marks card and type in index. So I will get this index function. Change this to discrete and drag this field in front of this customer name. So we will get a sequential number or index for every row. Okay, so now I am going to create a calculated field to filter top n customers by cell. So click on this drop down and choose this create calculated field, and I will name this as show top n customers. Okay, so I will write the calculation as when index is less than or equals to 30. So click on OK and drag this calculated field show top n customers into filter shelf and select this true. Click on OK. So now you can able to see only 30 records from customers name field. So for example, if you want only top 5 customers by sales in the view, then you need to edit the calculation again to get top 5 customers by sales. Okay, unlike this, I am going to edit this calculation to get top n customers by sales using a dynamic parameter. So for that, edit this calculation. So I am going to replace this constant value with a parameter so that I can enter the value dynamically to get number of or top n customers by sales. Okay, so for that, click on this drop down and choose this create parameter option. So I'm going to name this parameter as select top n. Okay, so change this data type to integer and allowable values is all. So then click on OK. Click on show parameter. Select top n. So edit this calculation field. So I am going to replace this constant value with the parameter name. Select top n. Then click on OK. So at the top right in the parameter, I am going to enter the value 20 dynamically. So the view has been changed and the view is top 20 customers by sales. So if I select 8, then you will get the top 8 customers by sales. So this is how to use a parameter in Tableau. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.